Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In today's 2-minute tip video, I want to show you what is now my favorite way to grow tomatoes, my favorite trellising system. I'm actually at Freetown Farm. This is where I volunteer. But just look at all these beautiful Roma type tomatoes. These are indeterminate variety grape tomatoes, and they're growing in about an 8-foot space, 3 T-posts, and this is just fencing. It's kind of like the metal they use to reinforce concrete. But the tomatoes are just being weaved through here, pruned at the bottom. It's solid, it's holding these heavy tomato plants, and it's just a really great solution. So if you're thinking about ways to manage the height of the indeterminate tomatoes, the ones that continue to grow and grow till frost or disease comes, I highly recommend T-posts, solid fencing, and just weave the tomatoes through. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the back side, 11, 12. I needed to count. 12 tomatoes weaved through here, and they look beautiful. Real easy to maintain them, and they're being weaved from both sides. Again, perfect way to trellis tomatoes in a small space. If they get taller, a lot of people ask me, well, what do you do if they get beyond the 6 feet mark? Well, you can let them grow up, and then you can train them down, you can train them back up, you can top them off, because then you'll have your suckers mature lower, which will then continue to grow upward. So there's a lot you can do with tomato plants. You don't just have to keep that tip growing and growing and growing. You can prune it, you can weave it down, and then you can weave them laterally too. So you're making a nice hedge of tomatoes, but it's not taking up a lot of space. Real easy to spray, maintain, and manage. Thanks for watching, and please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com and give trellising tomatoes a try using this method. I think you'll be really satisfied with how it looks in your garden and how functional it is.